State Attorney Monique Worrell is responding to accusations from Sheriff Marco Lopez that her office did not prosecute drug trafficking arrests in 2022.
West 2's Liv Johnson joins us in studio right now. Liv, you spoke with a legal expert about these allegations. What did they have to say?
That attorney told me that he believes the sheriff's claims are disingenuous because the road to prosecuting drug traffickers can be a long one.
Facts matter.
It's a phrase State Attorney Monique Worrell used repeatedly on Monday as she responded to Sheriff Marco Lopez's claims the state dropped or lowered charges for drug trafficking crimes last year. He said none of the drug trafficking arrests in 2022 resulted in prosecution.
Not only did the traffickers not go to prison for the mandatory minimum, not one trafficker has pled or been convicted at trial on the trafficking charges.
Worrell says that statistic is misleading.
Because the sheriff knows, as does everyone, that it is very unlikely for a drug trafficking case to be resolved in the same year in which the arrest is made.
State and federal defense lawyer David Haas agrees.
They take months, if not longer, to resolve, and so I would expect that those cases have spilled into 2023.
Worrell says of the 68 drug trafficking cases presented to her office in 2022, 36 are pending, 12 were downgraded due to testing results, and 12 others were dropped because of evidentiary issues. We asked Haas what those issues could be.
What a substance originally tests for may be different once the labs had a chance to actually do a thorough chemical analysis of. Sometimes there's really proof issues with cases. There may be a bag of drugs in a car. There's 4 people in a car.
Sheriff Lopez and Attorney Worrell do agree on one thing, and that's the need for change. Lopez said the medical examiner's office reported 142 overdose deaths in Osceola County in 2022. Haas says while they might want the same result, it can be difficult for the goals of law enforcement and prosecutors to line up.
Law enforcement's job is to try to get that off the streets, but a prosecutor's job is different, and they have to prove it in the court of law that that person is attributable to what the crime is that's alleged.
In her press conference today, Worrell said she agrees dealers need to be held accountable and hopes she and the sheriff can work together to make that happen. Live in the studio, I'm Liv Johnson, West 2 News.